Hi everybody, I'm Danny Dancer. I am the Kidtropolis educator here at Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center. So for today's activity, we are going to make a wreath. But we're not going to make our wreath using like trees and branches. We're going to make it using some simple to find materials around your home. Now, one of my favorite things to do this time of year is to drive around and look at all of the different decorations that people might have, either on their house or maybe on their lawn, or maybe they have something really cool hanging on their door. So this is a great opportunity for you to make something to add to the decorations at home. So you can create something brand new and it'll be super festive. And here is what you'll need. For this activity, you will need some green paper. I used 2 pieces of dark green and 2 pieces of light green paper cut into strips, each about 1.5 inches wide. You'll also need a paper plate, some tape, a pair of scissors, and something you can use to create a bow. Mine was just from a picture that I found online. You can also use ribbon or just cut out your own shape. For the first step, we're going to cut a hole in the center of our paper plate to make our wreath. Easiest way to do this is to fold it in half just a little bit, pinch it towards the middle, and then very carefully use your scissors to cut out a bit of an opening. Actually, I'm going to do it. Sorry. Cut a bit of an opening. That way, makes it a little easier to cut out your circle. Next, I'm going to show you how to make one of the leaves. Take one of your strips of paper and fold it in half. Open it back up so that you can see the crease in the middle. Take one end, line it up against that crease, and fold. Take the other end, line it up against the crease, and fold. We're going to do that one more time. Take this end towards the middle and fold. Take this end, bring it toward the middle, and fold. Now when I unfold my strip, I have 8 sections that are all the same width. Now I'm going to refold it into an accordion shape. So just going back and forth along those folds I made before. So it looks like this. I'm going to take a little piece of tape. I'm going to take these 2 ends and I'm going to turn them a little bit to the side like this so that they match up, and then tape them together. And this is going to be one of my leaves. And I can use another piece of tape to attach this to my wreath. And I'm going to do that a bunch more times. So once again with this piece, fold it in half, open it back up, fold the 2 halves to the middle, and crease. Fold the 2 halves towards the middle again, and crease. Open it all the way back up. Fold it into an accordion pattern, just like this. Take these 2 ends, bring them together, add some tape, just like this. And we're going to tape this one right next to the first. You can even tuck it up underneath a little bit so that the paper's really fanned together. We're gonna keep going with this pattern until we've filled our entire wreath. All right, we're done with our leaves. It's time to add your bow. If you are using red paper like I am, you can cut out your bow shape and attach it to your wreath with tape or glue. And that's our wreath. And there we have it, our wintergreen wreath with a little bow. Now, if you want to make this in different colors, you can. This can be actually something that you do any time of year. You can use it to celebrate different holidays or just to add some really cool decoration. Thank you very much, everybody, for joining me for today's activity. From Fort Bend Children's Discovery Center, I'm Danny. We'll see you all next time. Bye.